let me introduce my teammates right here. This is Nine, our front-end developer. And this is Dan, our ML engineer. And the last one, this is Tom, our back-end developer.
Hi, my name is Nai. I'm the front-end developer for this project.
Say something about this hackathon.
I have quite a fun experience playing around with the API and trying to design the best website for the API. And also I'm quite proud of my team and how the results of this hackathon was.
Hi, my name is Scott. I am interested in manipulating data and extracting valuable insights. I am responsible for the machine learning model to recommend hashtags and rank popular tweets.
Say something about this hackathon.
Through this event, while having fun, I have gained motivation and developed myself to become a good programmer. In addition to learning how to code and implement the functionalities, I have learned several soft skills, such as presenting and cooperating with our team members.
Hi, my name is Tom. I'm an backend developer for this project.
Say something about this hackathon.
Since I do not have much practical application development experience, this hackathon is quite challenging for me. And since this is my first hackathon, it is quite memorable to me.
Well, our team participated in the Appetizer hackathon in 2022. The event just ended like 2 weeks ago, but I think I missed it already. Well, it's a 1 month long hackathon. Like after school, we usually met to work on this project together at a building next to this one. Sometimes even like on the weekend, especially like 1 week before the work solution. Like literally, I saw these guys like almost every day. And yeah, it was fun working with my friends on this project together. Well, anyways, we're here to tell you the story of our journey during the Appetizer hackathon. So we use Twitter scraping API from a company named Hash Scraper. Basically, in this hackathon, there is a website called Appetizer API Marketplace, and there are like hundreds of API companies on that site, and there are about 10 of them that joined the hackathon this round. So before applying for this hackathon, we must have a product service development plan. We needed to decide which APIs we would be using, and according to the hackathon's theme, new normal in the post-COVID-19 era, the beginning of innovation using cloud, we discussed a lot about current problems and needs related to the pandemic. We had so many ideas at that time, so we just kind of asked all the team members to do more research and present further ideas to the rest of the team in the next meeting, and then we voted, and that's how we finalized our ideas and decided to build a website using this Twitter scraping API. And we chose this API because it enables the automatic data collection and summarization process from Twitter. First, Twitter is a huge communication platform. It allows you to talk with people around the world because of its features and the platform environment. You're not only limited to chatting with friends or families, but with strangers who share similar interests with you. And people share their ideas about their everyday lives and review the products and services that they use on Twitter. And this makes it super interesting to scrape those discussions people are having. By collecting tweets, we learn the opinions of people from various backgrounds, beliefs, and nationalities. And second, we see an underserved market here for SNS customers monitoring and analysis for individual sellers and small-size SMEs to use. So, individual sellers use Twitter to promote their products and reach to customers on Twitter as well. But because they're not yet large enough to establish like their own business intelligence teams or marketing teams, what they do is that they just tweet what they think would result in great feedbacks for their brand. our idea is that when those people use our website, users will discover the simplest way to create compelling tweets by word choice suggestions to reach a more significant number of their target audiences.
We developed a website called Syntax. It offers you to return trendy keywords and hashtags for any items you want to advertise on Twitter and helps your tweets to be discovered by your target audience by applying relevant word choices to boost engagements. We use Scraper API to scrape Twitter data according to the user input with some data processing method. In particular, after inputting the keywords from the user, the API returns several fields such as the URL, username, content, and the sentiment value for each tweet. Scraper API developer is very cooperative. I can feel their sincerity from their support. They are also very responsive. When we face trouble regarding the API usage and email asking for help, they reply almost immediately. They are very fluent in communicating in English. We haven't felt any obstacles at all.
In response to the global trend of software as a service, Appetizer API Marketplace was developed by New Cloud and Korean Software Industry Association to advance into the global market and cultivate domestic API companies. It provides a range of Korean APIs across various industries, from economy to media, business, and finance. These APIs have been tested and validated to fit the use of applications by simplifying the development process of innovative services. The API Marketplace holds this hackathon by aggregating multiple API companies together, including Scraper, Step A, Planning Solution, and more. These companies provide 10 interesting APIs for the participating teams to develop their applications. The Appetizer API Marketplace offers a wide range of high-quality APIs to help you enhance your application or website. With Appetizer, you can quickly discover and integrate APIs into your project, saving you time. From our direct experiences, APIs are reliable and easy to use. They also provide excellent support, so we can quickly add powerful new features to your application or website. Whether you are a developer working on a new app, or website owner looking to add new features, or maybe a business looking for integrated external data to your operations, the Appetizer has something to offer you.
If you are afraid of the language barrier, don't be. Just give it a try, you can communicate with them in English. And they are super duper supportive. People tend to be afraid of the unknown, but once you try, you will realize that their developer is really supportive and attentive. And the API and the Appetizer is full of quantity, quality, and varieties. If you are a developer, company, or startup interested in global markets or Korean markets, it is the right place to find API to implement for the product business. To experience more superior Korean API, visit our web appetizer.kr.